Tip of the day when you're doing Facebook Live videos. Sometimes if you hit stop record, it might still be recording for another 5 seconds. Now, I've had clients tell me that this has happened to them before. They hit stop, the person being recorded thought it was all over, and they instantly said a curse word. Wildly embarrassing to everyone. It's already live, it's already out there. There's no pulling it back. Now, you can always hit delete so that people can't see the video on demand, but the damage is done. The rule of thumb, just assume 5 seconds after you think the video is no longer recording. Ideally, the video is now pointed someplace else. Then and only then assume nothing's being recorded. So give yourself that extra 5 seconds after you think the recording button is no longer on. I'm TJ Walker. I help people speak more effectively to the news media, traditional media, and new media like Facebook. If I can help you, or if you want some free tips on how to speak more effectively, go to my website and you can get a couple of my books at no charge. Also information on upcoming workshops, seminars, and online trainings at mediatrainingworldwide.com.